Elio Santana, Bronx, New York, Team No Sleep. Last year, I walked this stage on medication from the chemotherapy I got the day before. And I say that to say this, you're gonna go through pain. I promise you, you'll go through pain. I promise you. That is the only guarantee I can give you. But the love you get from the people in this company outdoes any pain you could possibly be going through. Because my beautiful organization, my beautiful upline, Mike, June, Rob, Sasha, everyone, Peso, everyone, we were able to build it to this point while going through 12 sessions of chemotherapy, 20 sessions of radiation, and we're here to walk this stage. And I say that to say this, be excuse to your excuse, which leaves you with no excuse. Let's go, baby. World Ventures to the day I die.